He bit that one on the drop too. There he is. Oh, it's a good one. There he is. Whoa. There he is. Good jump. Good jump. There he is. Oh, that's a good one. That looks like a spawner. Hey guys, welcome back to LastCast Outdoors. So today we are back at the hidden pond. You guys seem to absolutely love that video, and we are back at it again. All I'm going to be using is a couple of Pistol Petes, and hopefully we can catch some beautiful rainbow trout like we did last episode. I'm very excited. I'm rigged up and ready to go, and I will see you guys there. All right guys, to start off the morning, we are going to use a Pistol Pete fly. Let's give it a go. There we go. That was a pretty aggressive bite. Come on, buddy. Come in here. Second cast in, we got our first rainbow trout of the morning. Pretty little guy. Let's let him go. One just surfaced around my bubble twice, 3 times. They are right at that bank, just like last time. Right at that bank. He surfaced 3 times around my bubble. There he is. Right at bank again. Nice little rainbow. Another beautiful rainbow trout. He's being a little squirmy, as you can tell. He doesn't want to be held, but he is really pretty. He's wild, and he is ready to go. There he goes. Whoa, that was on the drop. Oh, come on, dude. Come on. He bit that one on the drop too. There he is. Oh, it's a good one. Yes, that's a nice one. This is a nice rainbow right there. All right, guys, look at this beautiful female rainbow trout. Pretty girl, very pretty, very healthy. Let's let her go. One just surfaced right in front of me. Oh, 2 good bites from that fish right there. See if he'll come back. Oh, another good bite. There he is. Whoa. Yeah. These guys are so hyper. All right, guys. Wow. Beautiful rainbow, fully specced out once again. Oh, there we go. Whoa, he popped off. Still got my Pistol Pete. It was weird, like 2 fish jumped at the same time. It's kind of weird. Oh, there we go. Looks like a little guy. Nope, do not go over there. These little ones are just crazy. Doing front flip, back flips. Small baby rainbow. Very, very hyperactive. I'm guessing when I release him, he is gonna go swimming really fast. Let's let him go. That was a good bite. Just gonna leave it right in that current. There he is. Just leave it in that current and they'll take it. Just a pretty little rainbow trout, wild, nice colors on him. Let's let him go. There he is. All right, another pretty stalked rainbow trout with a nice yellow hue to it. Nice dots on him. Keeping him in the net because he's kind of hyper. Pretty rainbow. Look at that. Come on, buddy. There you go. There we go, that's what I wanted. There he is. Oh, that's a good one. That looks like a spawner. No. That's a spawner. That's a nice spawner. All right, guys, biggest fish of the day, a big old slimy spawner. Really pretty though. We're gonna let this guy go. Alright guys, we are done for today. Today was amazing day. Just like last episode, I just threw in a couple of pistol peats and I caught some really nice rainbows, and at the very end I caught one really big spawner, which was sick. But I'm super happy I came here. This is honestly probably going to be one of my favorite places to go just because how this little pond has such pretty fish. So excuse me, Mr. Squirrel. And guys, I've been seeing the support you guys have given me. I've seen all the comments. I read all the comments and respond to them. And it's just really nice that you guys like this underwater footage. I like it too. It brings a new element to these videos. But if you guys are enjoying this content and the underwater footage, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys on the next episode. See ya.